Good morning, Vietnam. What's up, Socero? How you doing, bro? Back at it. We are ready to go. Let's get it. All right. We had some interesting stuff going on today, yesterday. Yesterday blew me. Pause. Pause. We had some interesting things happen yesterday, so we'll see. I'll talk about that a little bit later, kind of what my understanding of it. There was a lot going on. Microsoft, Carvana, by the way, Carvana is up 45%, an NVIDIA type move, up to $58. If you played calls or options, you would have hit big. If you're holding Carvana, ready to make money, yes sir, me too. Let's get it. Ooh, some nice cup of coffee, fresh in the morning. Are you ready? What's up, OA? Good morning. We are ready for this today. All right, let's take a look. Where the... Okay. See, I gotta... I'm not sure if I'm still going to hold on to my gold miners a little bit longer. I could be getting rid of them, but let's see what they got in store. I don't know why my stream keeps lagging like this, bro. Let's do... do that. Maybe that helps a little bit. Maybe let's lower the rate a little bit. Sue, good morning. How are you? Ready for another day, another dollar? Ready to make some money here. So, see, Goldman Sachs released their earnings today. Not great. We had Western Alliance release their earnings yesterday. They did drop off after hours, came back up a little bit here. Carvana, as you can see, really good earnings. Tesla also, we got some big earnings coming up today. Let's see, what other earnings do we have? Plenty of opportunity up above at the top of the surface level, I would say. We have some we have a lot of bank earnings coming up, so we're gonna have to keep an eye out on that. Netflix and Tesla are later today, as well as IBM. And yeah, so we have a lot of earnings basically. Ooh, yo, okay. Hold up, let me check out this one. We got earnings from Rel. This is a company that, oh man, this is cheap as fuck. Got to keep an eye out on this mofo. If you got any tickers, throw them my way. See, SMX popped up today. More down below, down in the deep end. We also have BSFC. This is a aka Krabby Patty. RBT. I remember someone came and asked about RBT, and that popped up as well. Man, where do you guys get all these tickers from, man? Sometimes I have no idea. Like, I know you guys are playing volume and things like that, but my goodness. Alright, what else? We had the dollar rise today. Same as yesterday. The VIX continued its drop. So that'll be interesting to look out for. If we got the... Well, let me delete that. See, the SPY continues its climb, 454, kind of tapping that 455 area once again. keep an eye out on that. See, I mean, we could have a big move on Tesla later today. I imagine their options are. Maybe it wouldn't be a terrible shout to buy like a very out the money call. See, so Carvana agrees to debt restructuring, reducing total debt by over $1.2 billion with a big B, $billion. It's actually, well, they haven't put that in yet. Let me take a look at the, what is their debt right now? Their debt is $8 billion. And you know, hey, I'll tell you this right now, bro. Hold up. Hold the phone, bro. You're telling me you're restructuring $8 billion? Yo, wait, hold up. Come on, guys. What is going on here? Oh, yeah, what's up, Raul? Yes, sir, you are right. You mentioned RBT. Insider buying. I like Lyft if it can break over and get above 12. All right, we'll throw up Lyft. But hey, come on. Hold up, guys. But before we enter into the market 5 minutes from now, can we please talk about this? Carvana, you're telling me you have $8 billion worth of debt. You restructure it and you're up 40% pre-market. You still have your total market cap is worth your debt. Whatever. We all know this market is not fucking rational, so I'm not even gonna get into it, man. Whatever. We can all have our opinions. It does what it does, but that is ridiculous. That's ridiculous, man. All right, here. Let me quickly see if we can chart out. Yeah, you're hitting a little bit of this top here on Lyft. So as you can see, you're running into a supply area. You hit that last time, kind of pop back up. So. Oh, wow, you got this massive gap up above. Yeah, you got this gap all the way up to 16, which could get filled. So if you get a lift, you got a clear volume gap that you can kind of ride for about, I don't know, 30%, maybe 20%. So RBT had insider purchasing. That's not a bad shout. Let's take a look at my good friend Goro here. Goro popping up. Volume is still very low. We're going to have to see how it opens up here. Yesterday's volume was actually really good. You can clearly see there's some accumulation going on. So, and it has this nice sort of head and shoulders. So I think we're going to head back up to the 80s or 90s. I still think that it has a push to the 160 in it. But it's going to take some time, no doubt. I'm actually going to throw up Carvana at the top here because I feel like this is a big mover. You can clearly see it's sort of stepping up here. Nikola's also a 5% popping up just recently here, actually. Good volume kicking in. Nikola's also probably, all these EV companies, you're going to get good rides off of them. Huh? See what I did there? Hey, you guys missed my jokes. Yeah, SXTP. Oh wait, bro, is this an IPO? Oh my god. Barbara, good morning. How are you? Hope you're having a good morning. By the way, I know some of you guys have been how are you guys liking the thumbnails so far? Do you like them? Do you find them a little bit weird? Do I need to change them up? Is there a theme you want? If you got a theme that you like or like an idea, because I throw them in the AI generator, the AI image creator. Yo, but so if you got any ideas, throw them my way, and I'll throw them into the AI generator, and we'll use your idea as a thumbnail. By the way, so Sarah, I really like SXTP, bro. If this is, you got an IPO, pretty cheap as well, popped up to 850, came back down. Clearly see some accumulation occurring here in this pre-market, so we're going to keep an eye out on this. I think it's a really good shout. Damn, I might even want to jump in here. I don't really have much capital going, but we'll see. We'll see. We're opening here pretty quickly in about 30 seconds. So see, we're SPY's a 455. Keep an eye out on that dollar here. Dollar definitely has some. Does have a gap. I think it has this little gap to fill at 101. All right, here we go. Markets open. SXT. Oh my, 60 degrees. I'm calling it 60 degrees. 60 degrees popping up here slightly. 33% up. Nickel already up 4% here. Nice pop up here. I'm gonna actually throw up Goro here to see what that opening volume is like. Oh, it hasn't even opened yet. That's good news. Oh, I saw that little drop there. Carvana here at the open. We're going to throw this to the 2 minute because there's a lot of volume coming in here. We can already see some picking up on the purchasing power. SMX throw up here. SMX rising here with some selling pressure. Walking into it a little bit. Alright, Goro's here on the down here already. Carvana, SXTP, PWM. Let's take a look. DRN is popping up here, up 2%. AI is up 2%. Tesla is up a full percent. Tesla is going to be climbing here. People are very excited. If you break 300 on Tesla, you could see a massive spike. So if you want to play like an iron condor or something, like a lot of these large companies have been rallying 20%. I mean, you could probably make a fortune on some of these option plays. If you want to go degen out the money, see Netflix and Tesla. Netflix also has its earnings. Netflix is also a big one. It's going to tell us a lot about consumer sentiment within the market. Netflix has been a good indicator. You know, if people are signing up, it means market is generally strong. Netflix is generally one of the first things to get cut, especially since you have so much, so many streaming platforms and so many free. How would I describe this? So many free tools to use. Here, Carvana not doing so much. Is this already? Carvana's already on the watch list. We're gonna take a look at Goldman Sachs here. Goldman Sachs on the rise. This one's also a good one to keep an eye out on. Goldman Sachs earnings weren't great, but it's popping up here, so something to keep an eye on. Carvana now dropping here, $2 down. We're going to take a quick look here. Silver and gold kind of just trading sideways for now. No biggie. Nothing really yet so far. Alright. Carvana, big one here. Okay, SXTP, a bit of a drop here, but you know how, excuse me, you know how that goes. PWM was on another tear yesterday, even though I was not here. Another tear, another good call by Salcero. Sarah's a big top G. See, oh wow, FFIE was also another runner here. Probably playing off the back of Carvana here. Nicola popping up. I mean, whatever. Whatever, bro. Whatever. Market doesn't give a shit about your personal opinion, but I think it's crazy. You can't... You're restructuring an $8 billion debt on a company that makes basically no money. Well, okay, I mean, you have money, but you got no positive earnings here. Nicola's a good pop-up here, good runner. Good one to keep an eye out on. Alright, Goro taking a little bit of a hit. PBLA rising here. PBLA looking like it has a pretty decent setup for now. Still looking for some volume here. Alright, we'll throw up RBT. RBT breaking through 65. Good pop-up here. It did hit 68 here yesterday after hours. I mean, you got a good climb going on. Yeah, I think you can get. I think you can retest that 70 area. Carvana now pushing back up here, dipping to 499, 4999. The 999 popping up here to 56. Could see a move to 63 maybe. Who knows? Still waiting for a move on SMX. The volume at the open was towards the downside, but you did see some selling pressure kick in. Still keeping an eye out on Lyft here. Nothing too crazy so far. We do have some earnings throughout the day. Let me actually quickly check up on that. Any big boys? No, mainly just banks. It's going to be tough to keep track of all those banks, man. So many banks releasing their earnings. Oh, whoa. Hey Joel, what's up? Good morning, bro. How you doing? You deleted your message, and I didn't see it, so no biggie. But good morning, my friend. Good morning. I did key for banks, upside or downside. I think most banks are probably gonna have a pop here. But this is the thing about the banks, right? Is like there's over 4,600 banks. I don't know how many of those banks are on the market. I would say a good portion of them, probably got a couple of hundred. They're all releasing their earnings in the next 2 weeks, essentially. So if there's even one bank that is exposed in any way, I mean, you're probably not going to really know about it for another week or two. Cheapest one, upside? Okay, fair enough, bro. Carvana back down to the 49 here. Rejection with selling pressure kicking in. It's heading on its way down. I mean, bro, come on, man. Fundamentals gotta matter at some point. Oh man, I'm allergic to that idea. Apparently. Even my nose is like sniffing out the bullshit. All right, here we go. RBT climbing back up to 63 because he got that 65 push up here. See, I bought a call on Fubo the other day. It opened up at 6%. Damn. I got it expiring for another month or so no big deal. So, Sarah. see, he definitely got some gold and silver ramp up. RBT still climbing up here. All right, let's take a look. Oh boy, hey, Key Corp is pushing up here, man. Good, up a little 1% here, not bad. PLTR still on the rise. SMX. How's 60 degrees doing? 60 degrees is back down here, just being collected as 200 EMA. No big deal here. PBLA pushing up to 280 here. Currently up 30%. Yeah, Goro just kind of doing what I was expecting it to do. Volume is pretty low today on Goro, which I was kind of hoping was not the case, but LYFI. Alright. Here. You only get one screen, Raul. LYFI. Oh, sorry, you meant T. Lift popping up to 12 here. It's in. There's a gap up to 16 here, so I mean you can get a nice little pop up here. See, I still like SXTP's sort of setup here. We do have a gap down here at around 244, so got to keep an eye out on that. Probably just hovers back down to it. Carvana is still down here around 48. Let's take a quick look at. Hold up, I forgot to throw up the futures charts here. Let's take a look at the futures real quick. All right. Whoa. VIX is up 15%. When? Whoa. When did this happen? How is the VIX up 15%? Whoa, what happened here? Where's the SPY at? Why does it say the VIX is up 15%? Am I missing something here? Why can't I get an accurate reading on any of these charts here? Where's UVIX at? Where's UVIX? UVIX. Give me the UVIX. Goldman Sachs, yeah, down a little bit here, popped up, back down into the red. Where's VIX? I mean, VIX hasn't moved here. Do I need to refresh this? Am I missing something? What's going on here? Hold up. I need to check this. Hold the phone. Oh, let's see. We did have some housing. So we had some building permits were down. Housing starts were down. For some economic data, mortgage reference index, mortgage market index, these are all pretty even. Why is my FinViz? Okay, well, whatever. Let's ignore the VIX for now. Wheat, corn, oats, orange juice, soybean, sugar, cotton, heating oil, canola, crude oil, all up today. I mean, we barely have any red. The only red is beef, lumber, palladium, and copper with alongside platinum.